Hey guys, myself Akshat Jain Bafna. I'm a software engineer and a solopreneur based in India, trying to solve the problem of poor long-term memory and incomplete cognition. To quickly give you an idea about how the person behind this voice looks, so don't keep on guessing it throughout the video. Here I am. With Finemate, I am trying to solve one major and two minor problems that people currently face in the market. Let's quickly see the first major problem. There must have been times when you forget things that you have just studied, learned, read, or come to know about. Let's move on another problem. So I have a question for you. Are you guys just connected with intellectuals who come in touch with you either in your class, work, coaching, and as you start to think about this, there isn't any platform that connect learners. There isn't any platform where you can share stuff that you have just learned or with whom you can share informative videos that you just came across recently. There are platforms, but they are not exactly for the use case that I just mentioned. Thinking about it a little more, you will find that we are just connected with people we came in touch by convenience and aren't really our intellectual friends. This is one of the minor problems, and another minor problem that Finemate is trying to solve is to help institutes with their digital infrastructure. As now you have understood the problem, let's move to the solution. So, what is Finemate? A software as a service packed with retention engine, social learning platform, and a student management system. Let's instantly break down. As I have already mentioned, retention engine is a tool that will help people to retain things better. Social learning platform is a platform where we can connect with learners with different teaching styles, perspectives, and memory aids, so we can connectively learn things with different perspectives. And a student management system, which is a software that caters to all the problems that institute face, like managing attendance, grades, etc. So let's move ahead. Why you need Finemate? As I have just discussed, to mitigate forgetting, incomplete cognition, to connect with learners, and to fulfill all your requirements as an institute. So I will create a new account. Yeah. Remember guys, the username can't contain any uppercase letter and should be of minimum 8 characters, and a password must contain a uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, special characters, and should be of minimum 8 characters. So here is my password, and I will choose here as a normal user because I am not a student, instructor, or institute. I'll wait a second and enter the OTP. So I've just created my account and I will fill all the credentials that I've just created account with. Now I will quickly fill this questionnaire form. So what is your current field? So I am a working professional. I have just started working. What is your most current stream? So my most current stream is information technology. Yeah, here it is. Now it will automatically fill all the subjects of your course stream, and I can remove all the subjects that I don't know that weren't in my scheme. I don't know wireless communication network, I don't know quantum computing, and likewise you can add and remove all the subjects of your core streams. And also I will add some topics that I want to learn. So this is what our newsfeed looks like. Now let me demonstrate all the features quickly. So this is the subject, this is the topic, and this is the subtopic of the post, and you can create a post from here. And here you have to fill a legit subject, and if it isn't a legit subject or you have misspelled it, then the form will not take it. I will add a topic. I will add a subtopic. Subtopic can be anything. And here you have to decide, is that an information, a news, or both the news and information. You have an option of adding question and fact. Question isn't mandatory, but you have to add a fact as it is mandatory, and you have to add a MCQ regarding that fact, and this MCQ is also mandatory, and at the last you have to add a image regarding that fact. You can also add multiple facts, as the limit of fact is 365 characters, so you can add multiple posts and create a thread, just like you created in Twitter. So for now I will cancel it. Here you can mark the integrity of the post. You can also like, enlighten, and save the post. And if there are multiple posts in this thread, we can access it by this option. We can also view the background image by this icon. Here are other features also, like calendar, diary, assignments, to-do list, and the leaderboard, which tracks all the progress we have made so far. So let's quickly see what our to-do list do. This isn't the normal to-do list that you have used so far. Here you can add a graphic to the to-do, so you don't have to read all the to-dos, and you can just view the picture and delete it. Now you will see that a to-do have been created, and you can just click and delete this to-do once you have completed the task. Another feature of Finemate is community, where we can just go and ask our questions and discuss any topic. Another feature here is you can connect with all the like-minded peoples. So I can connect with myself here. So as you can see, I'm successfully connected with Akshat Bafna, and if Akshat Bafna approves my friend request, then I will be shown here in the friends, but for now I am just in his network. I can also read a blog instead of particular posts through read more option. Here I can chat with anybody. I can view all my notifications and connections, as I have no connections right now in pending, so it isn't showing any connections, and neither I have notifications, so it's not showing any notification. Okay, what is the SI unit of computer mouse speed? It's Mickey's. So likewise you can interact with the app, and the app will guide you through the posts that you often forget and show you the posts that you often forget.